Good morning, class. Today I would like to talk to you about composition and how it all works with either a good photograph, a great design piece, or even a great video frame that really draws your viewer in to each one of those. The composition rules works for all three types of visual communications, whether it be your photograph, your design piece, or your video screen. So take a look. So what you see here is a white background and two vertical lines, two horizontal lines, and where they cross, you see these red circles. Those red circles represent the spot where you could put your main focal point of either your photograph, your design piece, or your video frame. It all works the same. You're visually communicating to your audience, you're trying to draw them in, and you're trying to get them interested in what you're showing them and what you want your message to be to them. So that is what the blank composition will look like. Now I want to show you what it would look like with an image in it. So now you've seen a photo of a starfish, which obviously is the star of the photo, but you can see they chose to frame it in the bottom left focal point, and there's no other subject in any of the focal points. And what's great is that there's really some drama to the photo because you've got the ocean sort of line sort of pointing to it, the sand line, and then you've got the great starfish there. And so I wanted to show you that it really creates kind of not stress, but it makes your photo more dramatic, and it really draws your viewer in, and it really keeps their eye more interested into that design piece, the photo, or even the video frame that you would put your subject using the rule of thirds. So that's that. Now I wanted to show you one more picture that shows a little more activity going in the frame, but show you that there still is a focal point. So now you see this photo of this man by the water in all these rocks doing his thing. So you see that there is a lot more in the image rather than just the water. There's some land in the background, there's some rocks, there's the guy, and you can see they placed him in the bottom right focal point. You can see he's really very close to that red dot. But what makes him stand out is, for one, he's in a focal point, and whether we understand how the brain does this, our eye automatically goes to him. But you know what also helps with him is that he's wearing this gold kind of yellow shirt, and that really emphasizes him. He's also in motion, he's doing something, so we're interested to see what he's doing. So what I'd like you to do is just take a look at that and see, yes, there's a lot of elements, but yes, he's in that focal point, and we are really looking at him. So when you are taking photos, I want you to make sure that you're keeping this in mind when you're doing your design projects and you're thinking of that design piece and where you want me or your viewer to look first. That's where you put the star of your design project. Or when you're doing your video, I really want you to make sure that you're framing out your subject in the right spot and keeping your viewer really engaged to your video. So I hope you learned a lot from that. You will see these things in your course. They are in there, and you will do assignments that are geared towards this rule of thirds and this composition. Hope you have a great day.